We'll guide you through how to make DaVinci Resolve less laggy. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Once it's open, go to the top menu and click on DaVinci Resolve, then select Preferences. Here's where you can start optimizing. The main thing you want to adjust is in the memory and GPU settings, which you can find under the System tab. Make sure your GPU processing mode is set to CUDA if you have an NVIDIA card or OpenCL for AMD. This setting optimizes how your graphics card is used, which is crucial for reducing lag. Next, you can go to the playback menu and check the option for proxy handling. Set it to prefer proxies. This reduces the resolution while editing, making it less taxing on your system. But don't worry, your final render will still be in full quality. Another important setting is the render cache, which you can find under the same playback menu. Set it to Smart. This allows DaVinci Resolve to automatically determine which clips need to be cached, improving playback performance. Additionally, make sure render cache is enabled by going back into the playback menu and selecting User if you want to manually choose what gets cached. If you're working with heavy effects or high-resolution footage, consider transcoding your media to a more edit-friendly format like ProRes or DNxHD before importing it into Resolve. Lastly, ensure your system itself is not the bottleneck. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up RAM and CPU resources. By following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in performance, making your editing experience much smoother. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.